Okay, so please ignore the mess and the inquisitive dog. I've got a box here. This is the GotWay MSuper X upgrade kit. So my understanding is what you get is a full wheel minus the batteries. So I thought I'd do an unboxing real quick, and just to be clear, this is not mine. It was sent to me. There's going to be some work done to this wheel and I can't talk about that. It'll be exciting. You guys will want to see what happens. But anyways, I'm going to open it up and show you what it's about. See what came in the box. Alright, box within a box. Figured as much. Hopefully I've got it right side up here. It's looking good. I don't want to damage the box. I'm not sure if the owner saves boxes. I believe he does. I'm a huge box saver. That's the way I roll for sure. And also these tabs, I'm being gentle not to tear them because they do tear easily sometimes. So, we've got on top here, got a box, and I'm sure this will be the charger. Yes, it is. GotWay charger. Now remember, this is the MSuper upgrade kit. So what you do with this kit is you purchase this and you use the batteries from your older MSuper V3s Plus and install into it. So it's a 1.5 amp charger. I guess that's all the info I need there. So 1.5 amp, I don't know if you'll be able to see that. It's kind of dark in here right now, apologize. Matter of fact, I will turn on the light here in a second. So it's 84 volt, 1.5 amp. I'm gonna put everything back because I'd like the owner to get an experience too. So I'll try and put this together as best I can. Of course, he doesn't care. He wants me actually to tear this wheel apart for him and get it prepared for what's going to be happening to it. So here's the charging cord, the 110 US plug, and this side goes into the charger. Styrofoam on top. And here it is. Alright. So hopefully you can see that. Go ahead and pull it out. Oh, it is a heavy beast. Wow, it's beautiful. Alright, back up, babe. That's Kaylee. Kaylee wants to know everything about everything. Alright, plastic bag is tight because this tire is huge. The circumference and the width and everything. Okay, so I'm not going to take everything off, but there she is. And like I said, you take these side panels off and put your own batteries inside of it, and it ends up saving you quite a bit of money by purchasing this way. I believe it's $1,000 cheaper, if I remember correctly. Or maybe this costs $1,000. I think it costs $1,000. So it saves you $800 or so, I believe. So, oh, they got a new charge port cap. This is exactly how I'm designing my new charge port caps, actually, that I 3D print. USB port. I'm sure it doesn't work. The old one was terrible. And of course these terrible rubber side pads, they really do feel cheap. Now I know what everybody's talking about. Got your headlight. I can't power it on because there's no battery. But I just wanted to show you guys how this thing comes as an upgrade kit. Pretty sweet. Oh, the trolley handle feels a little better than the original. No, I guess it's about the same. Slightly different. But very, very similar. Anyways, there we go. Thanks for checking this out, and I will talk to you guys later. And yeah, like I say, keep an eye out for more information on this wheel. It will be interesting. I'm not going to tell you who it is. I'm not going to tell you what's going on or anything like that. I'll let them deal with that. But yeah, pretty exciting. All right, guys. Talk to you later. Bye. Okay, I just wanted to do a quick update. This also came in the box, the GotWay manual. I just didn't see it when I was opening the box. So in true GotWay fashion, it's kind of basic. Not a lot of great info. It's all in Chinese on this side. Yeah, everything's in Chinese except for that page there. That's the safety instructions. But it does have a serial number, which I guess I'll block that out. That's nice. But anyways, that was also in the box. All right, I'll talk to you later.